Hello and welcome everyone. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn on profile view history on TikTok account. Basically this is a feature of TikTok account which is available only on TikTok application on the mobile, but this feature is not available on the web. Okay, in this feature when someone visits your profile, then you get a notification or an history check in your profile settings that someone has viewed your profile. So I will show you how you can enable that feature in your TikTok application. First of all, you have to go to your profile section. You can just simply see this bottom line, and there is an option of profile in the corner, right corner. Just tap this option, and after that you will see this footstep in the right top corners of your screen. You just need to click on this footsteps, and this is a feature of profile view. When you turn on profile view, so what you are going to get, you can see that you viewed their profiles in the past 30 days. Only you can see who viewed your profile. Only viewers who turned on profile views and viewed your profile in the past 30 days will be shown. You can turn this off at any time. So we will just simply click on this turn on button, and the profile view feature will be enabled over the over our TikTok profile. As you can see that these are the people who have viewed my profile. Okay, when someone visits your profile, you will get a notification in this top right corner that you have that someone has visited your profile. So this is a way you can simply turn on profile view history on your Instagram, or sorry, TikTok account. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please make sure to leave a comment and hit the subscribe bell button. See you again later. Thank you so much for watching this video.